Have you ever noticed how every trip to the grocery store feels like robbery? Prices climb higher every week, but your paycheck stays the same. Maybe you're living paycheck to paycheck, wondering how long you can keep juggling bills before something breaks. Maybe you're tired of giving so much of yourself to a job that doesn't give back. Maybe you've tried side hustles before, only to end up more exhausted and discouraged, wondering if freedom is just a fantasy. If any of this hits home, then keep watching, because by the end of the video, you're going to see a clear path forward. Not another empty promise, not another hustle that drains you, but a proven beginner-friendly system that people are using to launch an online business in one day, plug into a supportive community, and start creating time freedom, financial peace, and daily impact. I want to be upfront with you. You don't need tech skills, you don't need a following, and you don't need to quit your job tomorrow. What you'll learn here is simple, it's step by step, and it's designed for everyday people ready to step into a different kind of future. If that's you, then you've already done the hardest part. You showed up, you cared enough to watch this, and that tells me that you have what it takes. Now, let me show you exactly how it works. Before I break down the system, let's get real about why so many people stay stuck. It's not because they're lazy, it's not because they're incapable, it's because they've been sold on the wrong vehicles. Multi-level marketing programs where you make pennies while your upline cashes in. Affiliate programs where you hustle endlessly just to earn a sliver of commission. Dropshipping schemes where slim margins eat away your sanity. Amazon FBA where you're buried in inventory and fees. Trading that feels more like gambling than a business. I know because I lived it. I spent years chasing those models, investing more than I made, ending up in the negative and wondering if something was wrong with me. But the truth is, nothing was wrong with me, and nothing is wrong with you. The vehicle was the problem. The turning point came in 2024 when I discovered a blueprint unlike anything else. A business that was already done for you, but still gave me 100% profit on every sale. A business that didn't require building products from scratch or answering customer service calls at midnight. A business that could be set up in one day, plugged into a thriving community, and launched step by step with training designed to get that first sale within a week. And for the first time after years of failing, I made thousands of dollars online with this system. That's when everything shifted for me. And here's why it works. This business model is powered by digital programs with what's called master resale rights. That means you sell a program, you keep 100% of the profit. No middlemen. If you sell a $900 program, you keep all 900. That's why we say $900 days are possible. One customer, one conversion, and your day is covered. At $900 a day, that's $27,000 a month. That's $328,000 a year. Imagine what even a piece of that could mean for you. Extra breathing room, paid off debts, time back with your family, the power to say yes to memories instead of bills. That's the destination we're talking about. And what makes this model so unique is how beginner-friendly it is. Everything is taught step by step, like following a recipe. Imagine baking a cake. You don't need to be a chef to follow the instructions. You just need the right ingredients and the right steps. It shows you exactly how to set up your business, how to create your accounts, how to post your content, how to copy and paste free ads, even if you're starting with 0 followers and 0 tech experience. And when you follow the recipe, the cake comes out, the business works, the results happen. That's what we call the 2-hour workday. Let me be crystal clear about what that looks like. Every day, you post 3 pieces of content on social media. These could be short videos, images, or posts that we guide you through creating. Then you either go live on social media or copy and paste free ads to high traffic websites. From there, you reply to any messages or emails that come in, and you plug into daily trainings from a millionaire mentor inside of the community. Every single day, there's a short, powerful training dropped to help you grow. On top of that, there are live weekly trainings from 6- and 7-figure income earners, online income earners, so you're never building alone. And then the automations kick in. They follow up for you, nurture leads for you, and handle the sales process even while you sleep. That's why it's called leverage. That's why it creates freedom, because you're not stuck trading hour for hour anymore. Now, if you're skeptical, I get it. I was too. I spent years feeling like I was always behind. But here's the truth. You're not behind. You're exactly one decision away from changing everything. And the fact that you're still here listening shows me you're not like most people. Most people scroll past, numb themselves with entertainment, and hope life will magically change. But not you. You're leaning in, you're ready to explore. And that tells me you have what it takes to build this. So if you want to take that first step, go to the link in my bio, grab the free PDF guide. It's called the Freedom Formula Blueprint, and it shows you exactly how to make your first $10,000 online with digital marketing. Put in your best email so you actually receive it, reply if you have questions, and check out the overview once you're in. That guide could be the key that unlocks everything for you. Let me expand a bit more on why the community aspect is so powerful. Starting a business can feel lonely, and that's why most people quit. But here, you're never alone. Every single day, a millionaire mentor drops a short training inside a community. Think of it like having a personal trainer at the gym, someone guiding you, correcting your form, and showing you what works right now. On top of that, you get live weekly mentorship from 6- and 7-figure earners. It's interactive, it's hands-on, and it's accountability. You're in business for yourself, but you don't have to build your business by yourself. That's the game changer. In traditional jobs, your income is tied to your hours. If you don't clock in, you don't get paid. But entrepreneurship is different. It's like planting seeds. At first, it feels slow, but over time, those seeds grow into a harvest that feeds you for years. That's what this blueprint does. It teaches you to plant the right seeds, content, ads, conversions, community. So the harvest keeps coming even when you step away. That's leverage, that's peace, that's freedom. I want you to imagine this. What would your life look like if you could step away from constant financial stress? If you could replace survival mode with breathing room? If you could stop saying no to time with your friends and family and start saying yes to trips, concerts, dinners, and memories? That's what this business is really about. Not just money, not just profits, but options, peace, freedom, the chance to live instead of just exist. I believe you deserve that. I believe you're capable of creating that because I've seen everyday people do it. Teachers, nurses, retirees, people who never thought they could build an online business, now running a 2-hour workday and creating incomes that change their lives. If they can do it, why not you? Now, I've already given you the overview. 1-day setup, plug into the community, launch to profit training, 2-hour workday steps. But let's talk about status for a second, because a lot of our decisions are influenced by how they'll be perceived. When I was struggling, I hated telling people I was trying something online. It felt embarrassing. But when I finally launched this system and started seeing results, everything shifted. People's jaws dropped. Friends who once doubted me started asking how I did it. My confidence grew, my peace grew, and I realized this wasn't just about income. It was about status, about respect, about standing tall again. Imagine how it will feel when your friends and family see you not just surviving, but thriving. Imagine being the one who breaks the cycle, who shows what's possible, who inspires others by stepping into freedom. That's a status upgrade no paycheck can buy. And remember, you're not doing this alone. The daily trainings, the weekly mentorship, and the step-by-step recipe, it's all designed so you don't have to figure it out by yourself. If you can follow instructions, you can do this. That's how beginner-friendly it is. It's like learning to ride a bike with training wheels. At first you wobble, but you're supported. As soon as you're riding free and wondering why you ever doubted yourself. That's what this system does. So here's my question to you. How much longer do you want to stay stuck in the same cycle? How many more Mondays do you want to dread? How many more times do you want to check your bank account and feel your stomach drop? Enough has to be enough. And when that moment comes, you'll know. Maybe that moment is right now. If it is, then go to the link in my bio, grab the Freedom Formula Blueprint and start the journey. Don't wait, don't overthink. Just take the step because your future self will thank you for it. I've seen too many people let fear rob them of their future. Don't let that be you. This system works because it's simple, supportive, and proven. And you're already closer than you think. All that's left is the decision. And I believe you're the kind of person who's ready to make it. So here's your final nudge. This video won't stay up forever. Opportunities like this don't last. And every day you wait is another day you hand over to a job or a system that doesn't care about you. Don't let another week, month, or year pass you by wishing for change. Take the step, grab the guide, use your best email, reply with questions. This is your chance to build something real, to build something that pays you daily, gives you peace, and creates a life you don't need a vacation from. So decide today. Decide right now.